So this is how you can make bundles on Vinted. The first thing to do is opening up the browser for Vinted or the app. Now, you're going to want to tap on sell now, and here we have the option to sell an item. Now, you can go ahead and choose whatever item you may want to sell, and here in category, make sure that it is precise and is actually what you're selling. So for example, I'm selling a pair of men's jeans. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap on men, clothing, jeans, and ripped jeans. So here you see that there are more buttons to fill out. So in brand, we're gonna want to go ahead and tap on this and then type bundle. And there we go. It is now in a bundle. So that's pretty much all you have to do. In order to put it in a bundle, you have to put this brand in bundle. So after that, all you have to do is just fill all of this out. For example, the photos, because you will need photos in order for the buyers to see what kind of items you may have. And for the title, for example, mine is ripped jeans for men. I'm gonna have to type ripped jeans for men and describe your item. Basically, just describe how many times it's been worn, what's the quality, what type of fabric is used, all those basic things. And here at the bottom, size, that's pretty obvious. Just choose a size. Condition, over here, there's also a few selections. Colors, you can choose colors over here. And material, what kind of material is used in that certain piece of clothing or item. And here, the most important one, make sure you choose a good price because the price in a bundle is basically what value of all the other items are in that specific bundle. And here at the bottom, choose your package size. So it pretty much explains what type you should use. For example, choose this for light t-shirts and small beauty items. Dresses, handbags, and ballet flats will fit into this package. Light coats, sneakers, or heavy knitwear, use a large box. So just choose whatever your item suits best. And now, simply press on upload. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.